50th of his major league career.
Boy, a thing of beauty. Elevated fastball up and out over the plate. He knew he had it from the moment he made contact right there. Wind blowing straight out to center field. That one didn't need much help.
Well, what a night he's had. 3 for 3 with a walk, a home run, 2 RBIs.
Look at that smile.
Well, I think the quote was from Jack McKeon. Bob mentioned it over the weekend. Fun is winning, and winning is fun. Little bird to deep right. In and out of the vines. And a double for Marlon Byrd, and it looks like Dominic Brown is injured. And that brick wall behind the vines is not soft, and he's waving off the trainer, saying he's all right.
Well, the Bricks are undefeated here at Wrigley Field. Dominic Brown, the latest opponent to try to go up into the vines to make a catch just over.